Hi ladies and gents, crypto traders. My name is Jan Robert Schut of Crypto Academy, and today I would like to put the BNT Bancor versus Tether USD Tether as an altcoin of the week and crypto trade of the week. And it's now 24th of December. It's Christmas Eve, and I think that Bancor is a nice coin to take a look at. Recently we sold Bancor. We bought it for the crypto swing trading portfolio, and now I think it's time to buy it back. What you see is actually a nice rise from the low of 50, 60 cents from the mid low of the mid of November, and it zoomed higher to almost 2, so it's a factor 4, and now it retraced 50% from that point on. So that means that 50% retracement. And that is a very nice buying opportunity, in my opinion. If we take a look at, let's take a look at the high that is here, around 1.90. The high actually was in August even higher. It was 2.5 or 3. And if you take a look on the weekly chart, that's very nice to take a look at as well. Yeah, there you can see that in back in March it has been trading much lower, albeit the rally from the 20 cents to 2.80 was not sustainable. It fell back to almost 50 cents and now zooming higher a little bit. Anyway, what we see is a weekly chart is an inside bar. It's in a spike with 280 in a bar before. And what we see now is on a daily basis a nice correction, and to the breakout level. The breakout level was around 1.20. That's why I would like to buy Bancor as well. You can buy it on Bancor on Binance and also on Coinmerce, and I would like to buy them on Coinmerce first in the Netherlands and also on Binance. So if you would like to take a look at the liquidity protocol Bancor, go to the BNT ticker symbol USDT, and you can also go to the website app.bancor.network. There you see what you can do with the protocol. So for now, I wish you a very pleasant Christmas Eve. I'm not sure if I get back tomorrow or after tomorrow. Anyway, stay safe, and I hope that you find this video very helpful as well. And I wish you very pleasant days. Hasta la vista. Bye.